Hello, boxing enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the Elite Sports Adults Punching Bag Set, a comprehensive training kit designed for boxing, MMA, kickboxing, and more. This set includes a patent-pending 4-foot heavy-duty leather punching bag, which comes unfilled, allowing you to customize its weight to your preference. Accompanied by 12 ounces gloves with Elite HandWraps, this set ensures your knuckles stay protected while you train. The included Boxing Reflex ball set is perfect for enhancing your hand-eye coordination, while the speed jump rope boosts your cardiovascular performance. With pre-marked head and body zones, this bag is uniquely designed to optimize your training sessions. The kit also features a patent-pending phone case, so you can watch training videos as you practice, and a heavy-duty metal hanging hook with straps to keep your bag stable. Whether you're practicing knee kicks, leg strikes, or punches, this versatile set is your ultimate companion in transforming your boxing journey. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.